You don't hate yourself for who you are. You hate yourself for who you pretend to be. You're not broken. You're just full of bullshit. You act fine. You smile. You smile. You post. You perform. But the truth, you can't even look yourself in the mirror without flinching. Because deep down, you know you're lying to everyone, including you. You built a fake version of yourself, one that says the right things, looks the part, fits in, doesn't rock the boat. And now you're stuck playing a role you never wanted. You hide the truth with distractions, you silence it with noise, but it keeps whispering, "This isn't who I am." You post what people like, you say what keeps the peace. You shrink so others feel big. And now you hate yourself not because you're failing, but because you abandoned who you really are. Every time you say yes when you mean no. Every time you shrink to avoid judgment. Every time you pretend to be someone else just to survive, you betray yourself. And betrayal doesn't just hurt, it kills self-respect. Slowly, quietly, daily. That's why your confidence is gone. That's why nothing feels real. That's why you feel empty, even when everything looks fine. Here's the shift. You don't need to fix yourself. You need to face yourself. Peel off the mask. Say what you actually think. Live by what you believe, not what you're told to believe. Start keeping the promises you make to yourself. That's how self-trust comes back. That's how you kill the shame. Not with fake positivity, not with more filters, but with raw honesty. You don't hate your life. You hate that it's faithful, designed for applause, void of truth. You've been hiding your real self for so long, you forgot who that even is. Here's the deal. Either you keep playing pretend, or you burn the mask. Face the mess, and finally be someone worth respecting again. Choose fast, because self-hate doesn't wait.